Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And they are also general readings, so obviously it won't be resonating with each and every one of you. In that case, you can check your moon sign and the name sign. And yes, you can swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for my Geminis. So on your side, oh, we have the Knight of Cups. Let's see what's there for the person you are dealing with your person. We have the King of Wands, okay. The most likely outcome, the Page of Pentacles, okay. So here we have the Knight of Cups. So you are, I see that you are moving towards a relationship, towards commitment, or either expressing your love or just opening up. Okay, but you are at least planning to do that even if you've not done it. But you're moving towards a relationship basically. That's what I'm getting. Planning to open up. One thing which I'm getting again and again here is the feelings which you have for this person are you just want to fly with this person. Fly in that ecstasy sort of a thing. Maybe you want to, though you are not moving that fast, but you want things to happen soon, perhaps I can put it that way. You want things to happen pretty soon, and you feel as if this person will give you all that happiness, as if you're like floating on the clouds, something like that. Anyway, it's a beautiful feeling on your side. And over here we have the the King of Wands. So this is a person who is also very very passionate towards you, but this is a person with a lot of composure and poise. Okay, this person is knowledgeable, is composed and very very poised. Wise person, they know what to do. Okay, and obviously, yeah, uh, this person is also very very passionate, even if they are not showing it, but they are. And here with the Page of Pentacles, there is definitely a new beginning, communication and new beginning in this relationship. So let's see what do they clarify, what's going on behind these cards in this reading. The Knight of Cups, we have the Page of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, so you also have a king. Good. So let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay, we have the Fool. Wow. The Ace of Swords and the Hierophant. Wow. So, oh, beautiful relationship. We have the Lovers. One more Queen for you. Queen of Pentacles, Kings and Queens, and the Knight of Wands. Beautiful relationship, Geminis. Okay, so let's get into the details. So you are planning to, or you are in a mood to, as I've already told you, you're moving into a relationship, trying to show your best, a very flamboyant way, trying your best to impress the other person. And definitely there is a new beginning, which is very sort of it's like an initial dating period type of energy which is there in this relationship. Okay, in your side. And with the Six of Pentacles, though I think, and the King of Pentacles, so I think both of you are in a pretty good position as far as the finances are also concerned and the stability is concerned. Yeah, I think you are in a position of doing charity or something. That's what I feel. This is something, having that urge to help others and being gracious. Maybe that is your energy, that you are very helpful and caring, or being sort of I should say uh, very concerned about the feelings of the other person, something like that. Okay, so that is what you are concerned about, the feelings of the other person, their happiness, their griefs, their sorrows, whatever. So I think this is coming off as your nature over here. That's what I'm getting. You're very helping, yeah, helping and concerned about the feelings of the other person. And here with the King of Pentacles, what I see is that you are also very dignified. It's not that you are not. You also have that thing within you. That is the quality within you also. It's not like that. So both of you are parallels. That's what I'm getting. Here, this is all you coming out as your energy also very cool, calm, composed, mature, knowledgeable. So you are also not, and that is why I think you are not taking it that fast. As I've already told you, that though you want to move things fast, but you are not doing it. You are balancing the situation. And here, as far as this person is concerned, with the Fool, the Ace of Swords, and the Hierophant, what else do I say? A new beginning, just ready to take that leap of faith, very clear in their thoughts and mind. This person is intelligent, they know what they are doing. And with the Hierophant, it's a committed relationship. They are in for a commitment. A new beginning and a commitment over here, Geminis. And with the mutual, this is on their mind. They want to marry you, they want to be with you. It's a long term stable situation. And here with the, as the mutual outcome over here, the most likely outcome, as I say, we have the Lovers, we have the Queen of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. So though the beginning may initially be a small one, it's just a small step perhaps, but there is a deep connection over here, a lot of love over here with the Lovers card, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. So everything is beautiful. This person is rushing in towards you, and they are very, very passionate towards you. And I see that you are taking that sort of, you're enjoying your abundances. You are enjoying that, either it is sort of honeymoon phase type of a thing, or it is something like you are enjoying yourself. You are enjoying those luxuries. You are spending that quality time, I should say, even if it is not a honeymoon, but you are spending that quality time. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Geminis. Number 3 may be of some significance for you. Back to what you love. Reevaluate your desires. So here what I am getting here is that this is something, that this is a relationship in which you are coming back to a situation in your life when this is what you actually wanted. So this is what you always wanted in your life. And basically what I am getting here is that this relationship is a beautiful one for you. And it is as if all the happiness is just, it's sort of a red carpet welcome type of a thing. All the happiness is just lying at each step ahead of you. It's a colorful path ahead of you. That's what I'm getting, Geminis. A colorful path is leading you towards happiness, and it is divinely guided. You are moving towards rainbows. That's what rainbows, all the happy colors and everything is beautiful, Gemini. I just touch wood, and I just hope it really happens with most of you. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in another video. Bye.